What are number ranges in SAP CPI? If you come from SAP background, you might already know what are number ranges. Number range is an object configuration in SAP or in SAP CPI to generate unique identification numbers to name the objects. For example, in SAP, we have number ranges that we use to name purchase orders, sales orders, invoices, GL accounting numbers, subledger accounting numbers uniquely. So we use these number ranges to uniquely give the names to the objects in SAP. Similarly, in SAP CPI, we can use number ranges to map unique values to your messages in integration and mapping engines. In this demo, I will explain how you can create a number range, how you can consume a number range in a content modifier step, how you can access the value of a number range in a Groovy scripting. Let's begin the demo. In this demo, I'll be reusing the scenario that I've created in my previous demo. As a prerequisite, you need to complete that scenario and come back here to complete this exercise. In this demo, what we're going to achieve is, in the graphical mapping, I'm setting the value of unique identifier as number range value, which is a static value. I will use a Groovy script to replace the value of the unique identifier value to a number range value in the Groovy script. Let's start by creating a number range. Go to Monitor, Integrations and API. There, if you go down, you can see number ranges here. Click on number ranges. I'm going to add a new number range here. So give it a name. Number range, unique. Number range, unique ID for order interface. So I want to give a minimum value, that is 0, and maximum value, the highest value that you can expect in this unique identifier. And if you click rotate, what happens is when the maximum value is reached, it will be initialized back to 0. Click on OK. Now the number range is created, and now copy this number range value because I need this number range value because I need to configure the same values in my integration flow. Okay, let me go back again, sorry. Let me copy the number range value here. Copy the number range value. Control C. Now, okay, go to the integration flow. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use this content modifier step because I want to extract the value from the number range and store it in the header. Okay. So now you see I created a number range variable here, which is unique identifier of source type number range, and give the value of the number range here that I just copied, copy paste, Control C and Control V here. So I created a variable that stores the value of the number range in the integration flow. Now, as you can see here, I created a script here because in this script, I'll be mapping the number range value to the target structure. Let me open the script for you. I will explain a bit more details. So this is the method. As you can see here, this method has a message object as input. Now I'm going to read the headers by using message.getHeaders. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to read the XML from the message. Actually, you see, I'm going to read the complete XML payload by using this message.getBody. Now I'm going to convert that payload into an XML structure because I need to parse the XML structure to read the value of this unique identifier. Okay. And now in the line number 22, I'm parsing the XML. I'm finding all the XML nodes for the value of unique identifier and replacing it with the header value, this header.get.unique odd number. You see, the element name is unique identifier. I'm replacing the value of the unique identifier with the header value, that is unique odd number. This is how you traverse the XML in Groovy script. Now I'm updating back the XML that I just modified, and I'm setting the message back, you see, by using this message.setBody. So I'm setting the body back to the runtime. So this method actually takes the input XML and reads the XML and replaces the value of the unique identifier node in the XML. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, so now I'm going to enable the tracing here. I want to see the value of the unique identifier, so put it to trace, the log level as a trace. Then go back here. So I'm going to test it now, you see. So click on the play button, click on the submit button. You can see here the unique value is 41 now. Okay, so when I click again, I should get a new value. Okay, let me go back to the monitoring. So okay, now this is the value. Now click on the trace. Now I'm going to show you the value. Okay, here if you look at the steps, so these are the integration steps that are captured in the trace. I want to see the value of the header. Okay, for example, if you go to this order response mapping, go to the header, you see the header value is 41. Okay, I want to set this value as output structure. Let me go back here, and you see here, before it was the value is number range value. Okay, it's a default value that I set. I'm replacing this value with the real value. Okay, so this is a static value that I have set. Now I'm replacing that value with the value 41. You see, the number is 41 here. So what I've done, so basically I replaced the value of the static value that is coming from the message mapping to the number range value by using a Groovy script. So this is how you modify the value of an XML in SAP CPI integration flow. And if you like the video, always consider giving a like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.